Make for freedom road. Make for freedom road. The devil's in the details at every hill and turn. Keep your eye on hell's fire, lest you might get burned. Don't let them try to tempt you with false silver and bloody gold.